Verifying your identity on Degiro is an essential step to ensure the security of your account and comply with regulatory requirements. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Before changing your settings, use the *com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 2. Provide personal information. Once your account is created, log in and navigate to the verification section. You will need to enter your full name, date of birth, nationality, and address. Ensure all information is accurate and matches your official documents. Step 3. Upload identification documents. Prepare to upload the required identification documents. Typically, this includes a government-issued photo ID like a passport or a driver's license and a proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Step 4. Complete the verification process. After uploading your documents, submit them for review. Degiro will process your verification request, which may take a few days. You will receive a notification via email regarding the status of your verification. Step 5. Finalize your account setup. Once your identity is verified, log back into your Degiro account. You may need to set up additional security features such as two-factor authentication to enhance your account's security before you can start trading. Completing these steps will ensure that your identity is verified on Degiro, allowing you to trade securely. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Degiro's customer support for assistance.